On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram or restrict certain activities. So first thing you have to do is open your Instagram like this, go to your profile, and then you have to go to the top corner right here, click on those three lines. And after that, you have to click on the first option, which is settings. And then you have to click on the help option. And then all what you want to do now is click on the first option, which is report a problem right here, and then choose report a problem without shaking. Now on this page you have to explain what happened or the problem that you have, and send a screenshot of the problem by clicking on gallery. And then all what you want to do last thing is click on next, and congratulations, the problem is gonna be fixed in less than 48 hours or even 24 hours at the maximum. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.